Hello, my name's Mark Goodacre. I'm taking part in a course with John Kloppenborg called Did Q Exist? There'll be 5 lectures, and in the first 4, John Kloppenborg and I will be explaining why we think that there is a literary relationship between the Synoptic Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and Luke, why we think that Matthew and Luke knew Mark's Gospel. But then we're going to diverge, and we'll each explain how we think about the really difficult question of the agreements between Matthew and Luke against Mark, the material that's in Matthew and Luke that's not in Mark. While John Kloppenborg will be arguing that this material comes from a hypothetical lost source, which we call Q for convenience, from Quelle, the German word for source, I'll be arguing that, in fact, Luke knew Matthew's gospel and that he had not only Mark, but also Matthew, and that's where he derived that material from. It's going to be lively, challenging, interesting, and it's a chance to dig into just one of the most interesting mysteries that is at the heart of New Testament scholarship. I hope that you'll come and join us.